BananaLlama here from BunnyBlocks, and today I'm going to be doing some digital art on Procreate, so let's see how this goes. And also please bear in mind I'm not experienced at Procreate yet. I do love digital art and I will be doing winter and Christmas themed art, so let's go. I would also quickly like to mention that I am using the Add-on-It Note Stylus to do my art, and I absolutely love it. I think it's great, and also this video is not sponsored. So to begin with, we're going to be starting doing some kind of calligraphy, let it snow quote art. So this will be a good warm up for the rest of the video, and here you can see me writing out all the letters. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I absolutely love doing digital art. I do it every single day. It is so much fun and it's definitely my kind of art. So here I am adding some snow, obviously, because it is Let It Snow. So I'm adding some snow, and I will add some snowflakes in a minute. And so now the Let It Snow, Let It Snow, Let It Snow artwork, that is a tongue twister. The artwork is done and I absolutely love this one. For the next artwork, we're going to be doing a Christmas wreath, and let me tell you, I had over 2 hours of footage for this one, so it is mega sped up, but I ended up loving the end result. And of course I spread out filming over the week because I cannot stay focused on digital art for more than about an hour. So I really enjoyed filming this. It gave me a good focus on what kind of digital art to do because I ran out of ideas very quickly. So here I am adding some berries and we will carry on drawing the wreath. So I looked at reference pictures for Christmas wreaths and they added orange slices to it, and I think they were like caramelized or something. So I added one of them just so it looked more Christmassy and festive because I absolutely love eating oranges and satsumas at Christmas. They are just so delicious. So now I'm adding some snow to the picture, obviously, because it's winter, Christmas. So I absolutely love how this is turning out so far. It was definitely worth all the time and effort I put into it. So I hope you like it too at the end. And now the wreath is complete. I absolutely love it. Let's move on to some more digital art. So for the next one, I decided to do like a wintry forest with some snow, and I really like this one, so let's do this. So here we're adding some more Christmassy trees to make it look more like a forest instead of just one tree sitting there on its own. That would be a bit weird. So after adding some more trees, we are adding some snow to make it very wintry. So I added like a galaxy sky effect in the back, and now we are adding some more snow to some trees. And now the next one is finished. Let's do another bit of digital art. So for this one, I took inspiration from a tutorial that I did a little while back. I'm doing my own twist on it, and I will leave the link to the tutorial in the description. So now we're adding some snow to the mountains, and then after that this one will be finished. I absolutely love it. So I'm using this brush called like the light pen to do some snow on the mountains. I don't know why, but I really like it. So yeah, let's keep going. Next, I have changed the sky in the background a little bit, and now it is complete. I absolutely love this one. And now for the final piece of artwork, I decided to do like an advent calendar type thing. I don't know why, I just thought it was a really good idea. So yeah, let's see how this goes. The first one has a snowflake theme. On all of the advent calendar doors, I decided to do like a different theme for every single day. I tried to make the themes as varied as possible, but it was quite hard because I had to think of 25 ideas. You may recognise number 7, it is inspired by the mountain scene that I did a couple of minutes ago. I did an ugly Christmas sweater for number 10. I decided to do a Christmas pudding for number 24. And a huge Christmas present for actual Christmas Day, number 25. And now the advent calendar is complete. It's not my favourite bit of art from this video, but I do quite like it. So yeah, that's all the artwork. So that is the end of this video here. Sad face. It was so much fun to film, and I would definitely love to do more digital art in the future. Which artwork is your favourite?